Coinbase listing to Luna Classic, and of course other new exchange. Now remember, we have recorded over 100 of exchanges that have recently in the past 1 year just got registered, and these exchanges have been listing so many coins. Some of them have just listed about 10 coins, some have listed about 100 coins, some have listed 50 coins, but many of them are fast in listing so many coins. Now I believe since Luna Classic at the time of recording this is still ranked among the top 100 crypto coins, there's a possibility that Luna might get itself in all these exchanges. Okay, there's a possibility, and if that happens, it will help the Luna Classic element so greatly. But one important thing we need to understand is that Luna getting back to Coinbase, I don't think that will be possible right now, except Luna, let's say Luna Classic rises from there. Right now they are ranked, I think, 85 crypto coins that is market cap. If they push forward towards like 60 or top 50 or top 40, I believe Coinbase might be considering listing Luna Classic. But apart from Coinbase, I still believe that from now to the end of the year, if they remain among the top 100, they might end up getting over 5 to 10 listings. Now, so many major crypto exchanges have already listed this coin. I'm talking about the new exchanges. Yes, that's the power that these new exchanges can really bring towards Luna Classic. That's the difference. That is something different that can really contribute. Okay, if you want to doubt how important an exchange listing a particular coin, then take a look at some few exchanges that are not that popular. Now, who are the people burning? Who are the highest burner of Luna Classic LLC? Take a look at Tectonic Token. This coin is being listed just on Crypto.com and VVS Finance, and this coin has also maintained, keep on increasing, keep on rising. Millions of dollars is being invested on this coin already. That tells you just two exchange. That's the power of what? Exchange. And this is not, the VVS Finance is not one of the top most popular exchange, but VVS Finance was one of the top two that are really contributing to see that Tectonic Tokens still remain where it is and keep on growing faster every day by day. Now, I believe most of these new exchanges have new community. They have a great community. Most of them have already gotten millions of followers, and if they can list Luna Classic, that I believe this can really help. This will affect Luna Classic positively because we have more market cap to rely on. We have more trading volume when most of the people using the exchanges started buying Luna Classic LLC. But one of the exchange I keep on hoping that they will list Luna Classic is Coinbase. I hope to see Coinbase list Luna Classic LLC, even Binance US. But let's talk about Coinbase and other new exchanges. Listing Luna is going to be change a lot of things. Listening to Luna Classic will help Luna to grow. Listening to Luna Classic can bring so many market cap, trading volume to help push the coin to go further. Well, anyhow it is, the truth is, don't buy or invest on Luna Classic right now until we know where the market is really going. But please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.